How to get MTN PUK number from another phone. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply locate the call symbol just like this one, then press on it. After that, all that you have to do is to simply locate the keypad option and then come and then tap it. Okay, so it will bring you the key so that you can press the short code. Okay, so simply come and then dial the short code by simply pressing on the star. After that, simply locate the one and then press on it, and then come to the 3 and then tap it 3 times. Okay, so 1 2 3, and then come to the hashtag and then come and press on it. Okay, so this is the code that you should type. Okay, that is the code that you should dial. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is to simply come down here and then come and locate where you have your SIM card slot. Mine is on slot 1, so I'm going to select the option 1 and then call it. Okay, so when you call it, what you have to do is that you have to first register for the self-service. Okay, so to register, simply come and then press on 1 to register and then come and press on the send. Okay, so when you press on the send, what you have to do now is to come and then create your pass pin. Okay, that is the pass code that you're always going to use to log in. So after putting it here, come and then press on the send, and then over here come and then confirm the pass pin, okay, or the password. Simply put it right here and then come and then press on the send. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is that you will see that this message has come that you are successfully registered for the self-service. Now come and then locate the keypad again and then press on it, and then come and then dial the short code again. And the short code is *1333, and then come and then press on the hashtag and then simply come and then select your slot where you have your SIM card and then call it. Over here, what you have to do is to simply come and then select the access service, which is option 1, and then come and then press on the send. Okay, so after that, simply come here and then come and then put in the pin code that you created. Okay, that is the passcode, and then come and then press on the send. After that, come and then select the option 4, which is the PUK. So come and then put the 4 right here and then come and press on the send. Okay, so all that you have to do now is to come and then select the one that you want. Okay, so we have for self and then for others. So simply come and then select option 2, which is for others, because you are using a different phone. Then come and then press on the send. Okay, and then over here come and then put in the phone number that you want to request the PUK code for. So come and then put it right here and then come and then press on the send. Okay, what you have to do is to simply come and then confirm the phone number again by putting it right here and then come and then press on the send. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply come and then put in your code, the code that you created. Okay, that is the pin code or the passcode. Come and put it right here. After putting it right here, come and then press on the send. Okay, so when you press on the send, this message is going to pop up. It says that they are going to send you the PUK code for the number that you have requested the PUK code for. Okay, so this is exactly how to get your PUK code using a different phone. Okay, like the video and then see you in my next video.